tiyak ko, tiyak may sa.
Welcome back to my channel, Tita Ching Kitchen channel. Welcome back. Tonight, guys, we're gonna cook another easy recipe, spam recipe. Yan. Pagod na sa trabaho, so kailangan ng madali ang ulam lang. So, ang tanging naisip ko lang kapag madali ang ulam dahil paborito ng anak ko ay ang spam. So, there we go. So, madalian lang po ito at konting-konti lang po ang ating sahog. Ayan, spam itself. I am not promoting this brand. You can use anything, luncheon meat or anything like that. It's not only spam. Right? So I got chili. Look at that. Red chili, green chili, and onion spring. 1 egg. Lemons. And I have here olive oil. Right. So what we're gonna do first is to cubes the spam or the luncheon meat. There. This is what we called spam sisig. Ayan. So, ating now cubes natin. So guys, ito na po ang ating mga, na-prepare ko na po ang ating mga ingredients. Ayan. Ang ating spam, isang lata po ng spam yan. 1/2 cup of onion spring. 1 medium size of onions. At saka, tig 2 pieces na chili, red and green. Ayan. 1 egg para sa babaw mamaya. At ang lemon. Okay guys. Tara na, lutuin na natin ang ating spam sisig. So, painitin muna natin ang ating kawali. Right, so it's for a little bit of olive oil. There you go. And for the spam.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just look up. Don't be back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
Okay guys, because I got no sizzling plate or cast iron thing, ibalik ko ulit siya dito sa aking kawali na pinagprituhan. Pwede na to. Ayan. So initin ko lang konti yung ating oil, olive oil. And then pinaghalo-halo natin na spam at saka yung ating ingredients, spices, ilagay natin ulit. Ayan, mainit na. Yan, so pwede na to. Ayan, masarap na. Ilagay na natin ang ating sunny side up sa taas. Ayan guys, ang ating spam sisig. Yan. Sarap na pangpulutan, starter, or ulam na rin para sa ating simpleng buhay at simpleng pamilya dito sa United Kingdom. Ayan ang ulam namin. Okay. Okay, so lantakan na natin to.
I can see the pain living in your eyes.
is ang tikim-tikim part. Right, so tikman natin ang ating niluto. Ayan, ang ating spam sisig. Champion. Sarap. Yan guys. So ito po ang ulam namin. Ulam ng isang simpleng pamilya dito sa Inglaterra. Not really Inglaterra, dito sa UK. Because I live in Wales, not in England. So, yan. So guys, halina, samahan nyo na ako at kainin na natin. Masarap to guys na pangpulutan, starter, at katulad ng sinabi ko, ulam na rin. Yan, so tara, kain na guys. So, I hope you will try this one. Kung mayroon kayong naitatago dyan na luncheon meat, spam, or whatever. I-try nyo guys, masarap siya. Madali ang ulam. Ayan. And, so, hope to see you again tomorrow in my next video. Yan, kaya shoutout na lang natin muna ang ating mga super alaga at alaga. Come on guys, come in. Samahan nyo ako na kumain. Mega love shoutout to my super alaga UPS Rixie Vlogs at Alni TV. Mega love shoutout to all my alaga Steus Vlog, Bells Japan, Lucy Takuban, Crystal Wanderlust Diary, Shahar Explorer, Cecilia P. Ireland, Bianca Puppet, The Beef Channel, My Cuisinera Pampanga, Christine Validor, Noreen Iwe, Roots Lagura, Kuya Parts, and Bam Bam Hermes. Guys, please connect to all my super alaga at alagas. See you again tomorrow. Keep safe everyone. Bye!